Hey guys, this is Josh Chick here, and today we're going to unbox another affordable smartwatch that I got from Shopee. Let's go. Alright, so what's up again guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you have not subscribed, just kindly click the subscribe button. And alright, so we have here another smartwatch. Let's try to unbox it. And inside, there's another bubble wrap. So at the back, so we have here the product parameters. So device type, it's color TFT LCD smart bracelet. Master chip, I'm not so sure about that. And it has sensors and waterproof rating IP67. I'm not so sure if it's really working. Let's get here the plastic. Oh, it has the charger. So this is the charger, so it's almost the same with the charger that we had before with our A6 smartwatch. It's a clip style, and there's kind of metal here which is used for charging. Okay, so this is the smartwatch itself. So let's try to open it. So it's really nice. So the strap looks rubbery but doesn't feel cheap though. And at the back, so you can see here the sensor and the charging nodes, if I'm not mistaken guys. So it has some sort of plastic here, and okay, so and it has also the manual, the typical manual that they got. We will try to charge it. Okay, and I will be back. Alright guys, so now we actually try to charge it for just like couple of minutes, and it's booting up. And now let's just have a quick look at it. Turn it on, so you can see there the purple flower, which is the wallpaper, and on the upper right, so you can see there the time, and it's kind of like blinking. And when you, this is like the kind of home button here. So let's try to, yes, and when you try to press it, it will bring you to the different menu. So you have here the date, and also like the heart rate or the HR, if I'm not mistaken, and the BP or the blood pressure. So when you just have to do it, it's just long press, and the SpO2, the exercise, the kcal, the blood beats per minute, and also the message. And it has also the shutter, which I believe for your camera, and the player, and set. So let's try to long press it here. So let's see if, yeah, you can set the timer, mute, the brightness, and there's also the reset, shutdown, back, and the version. Alright, so overall, I think this is quite a good start of the watch, and I hope that it will give us a good, not just only impression, but the good experience. I actually got it for around like 800 pesos, so that's around like $16. $16, yes. Alright, so again guys, this has been Josh, and if you have any questions about the smartwatch, just comment down below, and I will try to use it for a couple of weeks or for 1 week, and we'll see if this one is really good for our budget. And I will see you guys soon.